Hello everybody, hola, aloha, ciao, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, yagamasuma, здравствуйте, привет, buna, dzień dobry, sziastok, hello, xin chào, yabasiyo, salam alaikum, saskriakal, marhaban, merhaba. Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Brunel. So you've seen the title. It is my first unboxing actually of the Curleebox. I came across this box via the Queen. I bow down to thee, the queen of beauty box unboxing, which is Sussex Sandra, and I'll put her link to her channel in the description bar so you can have a look. She does lots and lots of unboxings for beauty box subscriptions. Where she finds them, I don't know. Most of the time they are actually fantastic. And last month she actually unboxed this box, and I loved all the products in it. They were natural, hands down. You guys know I love me some natural or handmade products, so I wanted to get that particular box, so paid for it expecting that those items to arrive, but unfortunately it didn't. It was too late. So basically what I paid last month was for this month's subscription. So if you do decide to go and get this box, a word of warning, be mindful, double check the actual dates, because for example yesterday the 18th they just took money out of my account, and that is to pay for the April box. So you see how far in advance they actually get the money. So I should have had a box last month, and I wanted those particular items, which is why I bought that particular box. Unfortunately it didn't arrive, so this is my first unboxing, and the box feels super heavy. It comes in this white box, and it says here you know, Curleebox, curly with the EE at the end. And I'm using, by the way, yay, sunshine today, I am using natural lighting, boom boom boom, yes. Anyway, this feels super heavy, so we are going to unbox it, and I am rubbish at opening boxes. I am terrible. So we are just going to go to and I'm shaking my camera, so I do apologize, and I am so bad. I am shit at unboxing boxes. All right, so I've got the box here. You guys can see it completely sealed, and the first thing that comes out is this, which is the Eden Bodyworks Coconut Sheer and Shampoo. Cleanse your hair and scalp. So this is basically a small bit of information in there, so hopefully it's about what's inside. I've never unboxed this before. And right, first things first. Woo! Big tub. Yes, this is what's in there. So it gives you the card which tells you the products inside, and this one here, butter, is the Hydrate and Soothe Citrus Fusion Hair and Body Butter. So you can use this. I love multi-usage products. You can use this for your hair as well as your body, and hopefully you'll be able to see that. I'm looking at the viewfinder for some strange reason. Hopefully you're going to be able to see. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. So let's give you a bit of information about that one. It does say here, let's read it from the actual part itself. Hydrate and soothe your hair for hair and body. So yeah, so citrus fusion, so that's nice. Let's see how it smells. I love smelling things. I do. Oh, citrus and lovely and fresh. Oh yeah, I'm so going to, you know what, one must try a tiny little bit to see. I've got a small area here that's dry. I love body butters. Nice. And a refreshing smell. Oh yeah. Yeah, so that is nice. I'm gonna actually, during post editing, I'm gonna let you guys know the prices of these items, so you see for yourself whether it's worth getting the box or not. The price is £20 for the box plus £3, I think 95 for delivery. Yeah, so in here you've got 470 ml, which is equivalent to 16 fluid ounces for you people in America, because you like your ounces, don't you? Anyway, so that's the first one. Next item is this, and this is for hair. It's Mousse. I lovely, especially with these wigs. I can actually tame things down. So this is a mousse, yes, a mousse coiffante, but nourishing style basically. And it says here, mold and set the hair with this lightweight foam, perfect for wavy plus curly textures and roller sets. So this is for, you know, curly hair, which will be perfect for my daughter who hates having her hair brushed. So anything that helps ease anything and keeps it under control, then it's really better, much better, because she has hair that if it's not brushed looks like a bird's nest, like things have been living in it. So this is actually quite nice, 235 ml in there, or 8 fluid ounces from the same brand, and the brand of course is Eden Bodyworks. So the next item is this coconut sheer. That's the one I read earlier. Boom boom boom. Yes, so this one is paraben free, sulfate free, strengthens and moisturize, and it is a natural creamy conditioner. And let's have a look and see. Eden Bodyworks provides natural hair and body care solutions. So I think, you know what, sold Curleebox, sold. I love me some natural body stuff, and it looks as if, and hair stuff, so it looks as if that's what they normally create. Second box in a row, so I'll be going for this. You know, and it's super affordable. Sold. So it says Eden Bodyworks provide natural hair and body care solutions that integrate wellness and beauty inspired by nature to restore and maintain the body's original design. Okay, so coconut sheer natural creamy conditioner is a nourishing creamy conditioner to restore moisture to dry thirsty strands, packed with moisturizing agents like coconut oil and shea butter. The creamy conditioner replenishes and strengthens hair against breakage. Apply to clean wet hair with additional emphasis on the ends of the hair. Leave on for 10 minutes, then rinse well. So fantastic. And in here there's quite a sizable amount. Everything is full size, 8 fluid ounces in here. Everything, there's nothing here that's a small size at all. I am loving this box. Thank you, Sussex Sandra. Thank you, Sandra. Thank you very much, girl. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have found this. I love this. So last item in here, no, actually it's not. There's another one here from the same brand, which is the Moisturizing Shampoo. This is coconut and sheer shampoo. Great. So you guys can work out for yourself what that does. 208 fluid ounces in there. Fantastic. And then the final item in the box is this one. Ooh, looks like a bit of a gel. Ooh, okay, this is so handy. And it is, turn it the right way. Turn it the right way, Brunel. Getting a bit excited. Turn it the right way. Okay, control edge glaze. Ooh, control your edges. That will also mean that, especially with the wigs, I'll see how well it works. I might not have to use my got to be glued anymore if this really controls the edges, because you know, as soon as I get home, wigs off, everything's off. Not everything. Never mind. You don't want to know that. So this one is control edge glaze. Yeah, so let's see. Coconut sheer control glaze edge gel provides a firm, manageable hold along the hairline and or hair shaft to preserve desired styles. Lightweight formula will not create build-up. Directions: use control glaze edge. You know how to use you know, fix stuff for your edges. But this is what this one is, and let's see if I can smell it. Whether it smells like a little bit of coconutty. Let's see. I don't know why I went French there. It smells just so fresh and clean. Oh. Yeah. Can I eat it? Can I eat? And I've just jabbed my finger in it. Maybe I'm really desperate to use it. Now put it on my nose. Oh well, there you go. Serves me right for getting all hyped up there. Now I've just dumped it on my nose. Great. Thank God you can't actually see it. It's clear. Anyway, so these are the items, and I can actually tell, I am very, very certain that these are way above the £23 mark. Usually natural products tend to actually cost more because obviously you use more of the natural products and less of the additives and so on. So the ingredients wise, it costs more, and there's everything is full size, 5 items in total, and I am so happy with this beauty subscription. I like the fact that out of this lot you've also got this, which is for the body as well, which is what I'll be using it for, and you get to discover new products and so on. Absolutely fantastic. I am very, very happy despite my knowing the true value of these items. I'm so happy to actually continue this subscription. It is way better than the one I had last time, which is very similar to Curleebox, which has got only tiny little bits and bob and sample stuff, and no, in comparison to this one, that one doesn't have a chance in hell. So thank you for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed today's unboxing and you've discovered something new, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment and get involved, because I'm a nosy person and I like to know everything that's happening, so you let me know. Please, I'm desperate.